Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud Arena. I am Sanjay Kumar Verma. I hope you are fit and fine. So in my previous session, you have seen how to break the password of root. So today we will discuss about of how to protect the password of root user. We have already discussed about of Linux root password. We cannot break the root password remotely via SSH. So if we want to break the root password, we should require physical access of server, or we should require outbound management IP like as ILO, IDREC. So now my concern is that if you find out physical access of server, then you can easily break the password of root user. So how to resolve of this problem? So resolving of this problem, we have a one more password which is known as grub password, Grant Unified Bootloader Password. When grub password is enabled, then you can't do edit of kernel line and you cannot mention rd.break. First of all, I will discuss about of grub. What is grub? Grub stands for Grunt Unified Bootloader. Grub function is to take over from BIOS at boot time, load itself, load the kernel into memory, and then turn over execution to the kernel. Once the kernel take over, grub has done its job and it is no longer needed. Right now RHEL 8 support of grub version 2. It means grub 2. So let's see how to enable the grub password. First of all, I will open up my terminal. Then I will type a command grub 2 set password and press then enter key and assign the password. Again confirm the password and then enter. Because Linux does not show of the password, so you can't see right now. And then reboot of your machine, systemctl restart and press enter. Sorry guys, something trouble with my machine. Right now I am using another command. You can see. You can see this is the grub screen or kernel line. I have applied grub password of my bootloader. So right now I will try to break my root password. Then I will type E for edit. Look guys, it's required a username. I am trying to log in from root and it's a required password. This is grub password. Right now, for example, you have root password and you don't have grub password. For example, I don't have grub password, then I will try, for example, Red Hat. This is wrong password. You can't do login and you directly come out of your grub screen. Friends, look different case. If in any case I have grub password, I am going to login from root and I am assigning correct password of my machine. Then you can see I can edit easily of this grub line. End of the line I will type rd dot break. Then I can follow these steps. I can break the password easily. So with the help of grub password, you can protect of your kernel or grub screen. So you can do easily. So I have logged in my server. This grub password is stored inside of vim/boot grub2 user.cfg. You can see the hash of this password, grub2 password, which you have enabled, and this password is stored in this file boot/grub2 and /user.cfg. So with this process we can apply the grub password, or we can protect of our root password. So guys, enjoy of this and stay home, stay safe. So thank you so much. Good day. Bye bye.